When you search for the best portable air compressors and tire inflator pumps, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Astro AI Tire Inflator. The Astro AI Tire Inflator caught my eye with its bright yellow design and dual power options. Priced at $68.41, it promises both portability and power. If you want a reliable inflator that works for both car and bike tires, this one is worth a serious look. It also features dual power supplies, 12V for car use and 110V for home, so you can use it wherever you are. The built-in gauge displays the pressure, and it even has an LED light for nighttime emergencies. Plus, it can run for 15 minutes continuously, which is pretty impressive for a portable unit. Now, some people complained about the noise level, which is at 65 decibels. Here's the thing though, most inflators make noise, and if you're just using it to pump up a tire, it's not exactly a concert, right? So, if you need something for quick, effective inflation, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and easy-to-use inflator for both home and travel. Skip this one if you're looking for something to inflate large items like heavy-duty truck tires. For the price, I think it delivers excellent value. Now, if the Astro AI's noise level bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ET&WLF Vortex S6. Next up is the ET&WLF Vortex S6, a heavy-duty cordless air compressor that retails for $132.39. What really caught my attention is its high-capacity 19,200 mAh battery that can inflate up to 18 F-150 tires on a full charge. If you want serious power and convenience for heavy-duty tasks, this is worth a serious look. With a maximum pressure of 160 psi, it's designed for both cars and heavier vehicles like trucks. And it features a dual-cylinder pump, which means it can continuously inflate without overheating, a huge plus for those long road trips. Plus, it has an auto-stop feature that ensures you don't overinflate your tires. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky compared to smaller models. Here's my take: if you're inflating larger vehicles, the size is a trade-off for the power you gain. So if you're a truck owner or someone who frequently deals with heavy-duty vehicles, this is a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful inflator that can handle larger tires and frequent use. Skip this one if you're just looking to inflate small bikes or balls occasionally. For its power, the price is quite reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for compact use. Product number 3, Ishwu Cordless Tire Pump. The Ishwu Tire Inflator, priced at $37.99, is a true lifesaver for anyone who wants convenience without breaking the bank. This compact air pump is lightweight and designed for quick inflation. If you're looking for something portable and efficient, this is worth a serious look. It can fill a standard tire from 0 to 36 psi in just 6 minutes. The 4 preset modes take the guesswork out of inflation, allowing you to choose the right pressure for cars, motorcycles, bikes, or even sports balls. Plus, it has a bright LED flashlight for those late-night emergencies. Now, I did find some users mentioning it could be a bit loud at 85 decibels. But let's be real, many inflators are noisy, and at this price point, you're still getting a lot of value. If noise is a deal breaker for you, then maybe consider a more expensive model. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, compact inflator you can easily store in your car. Skip this one if you need to inflate larger items regularly. For its price, it's a reliable choice. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle more than just tires, the next one is a must-see. Product number 4, Gyurivo Digital Tire Pump. Meet the Gyurivo Portable Air Compressor, priced at $38. It's a versatile option that really impressed me with its functionality. If you want a reliable inflator that can handle all sorts of tasks, this is worth a serious look. With a maximum pressure of 160 psi and an impressive airflow of 40 L-min, this inflator can tackle everything from car tires to sports equipment. It also features a built-in rechargeable battery, ensuring you can use it without being tethered to a power source. The auto shut-off feature is super handy, stopping the pump once it reaches the desired pressure, which takes away the worry of overinflation. However, some reviews pointed out that it can take time to recharge fully. Here's the deal: if you're someone who frequently uses it, that might be a hassle. But if you don't mind waiting a bit, it's still a fantastic portable option. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable all-in-one solution for everyday use, whether that's inflating tires, balls, or even a bike. Skip this one if you need something that inflates larger items quickly. For what it does, the price is very fair. Now, if you're into tech and want something even more advanced, wait until you see the final product. Product number 5, Picasso Smart App Air Pump. Finally, let's talk about the Picasso Smart App Air Pump priced at $31.62. What caught my eye? Its innovative app control feature. If you want a tech-savvy inflator that simplifies the process, this is worth a serious look. This inflator not only delivers up to 150 psi but also features an all-in-one storage design, so you'll never lose those pesky nozzles. The app control allows for custom inflation settings, making it versatile for different uses. Whether you're inflating a car tire or a pool float, just set it and forget it. Plus, the LED light is a lifesaver for nighttime emergencies. Some users noted that it might not be suitable for heavy-duty tasks like inflating truck tires. Here's my perspective: if your needs are more casual and you're not working with larger vehicles, this won't be an issue at all. For those everyday tasks, it's perfect. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use pump with smart features for casual use. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty inflation needs. For its price, it's a solid investment. So there you have it. The Astro AI is great for dual use, the ETNWOLF excels at heavy-duty inflation, Aishwu is compact and budget-friendly, Gyurivo offers versatility, and Picasso brings tech into the mix. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so pick what fits your needs best. Thanks for watching.